Welcome back to and this guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to fix domain error on Shopify. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Shopify, click the Create One option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, fixing domain errors on Shopify typically involves troubleshooting and correcting issues related to the domain settings, the DNS configuration, or Shopify settings. And we are here to help you and give you a step-by-step guide to help you address common domain-related issues on Shopify. Now, the first thing that you need to do is go to your Shopify and navigate to the settings here. I need you to click on the bottom right corner. And I need you to go to the domain section. Now, once you do that, what will happen is make sure you need to click on the online store and then domains. All right. Ensure that your domain status shows as connected. All right. As if it shows disconnected or needs setup, proceed to reconnect it. And if you want to change a new Shopify domain.com, all you're going to do is click on this option right here. And if you wanted to buy or connect a new domain, just hover to these settings right here so that you can fix that issue. Or even you can reconnect your new domain if you wanted. But the most common problem that we encounter is about the cache and cookies of your specific web browser. Now, if you are using the Google Chrome, all right, all you're going to do is just clear the Shopify cache, all right? Because sometimes Shopify caches old domain information. And again, all you're gonna do is, if you're using the Google, just delete the cache and some browsing data like history and cookies, all right? After that, try to restart your browser, log into your Shopify account, and you can also try to ask the virtual assistant from the Shopify Help Center. If you can get an answer from here. Now, you can also go to the chat with a support advisor. All right, just wait for it to load for a little bit. All right, there you go. Now, if that doesn't work, you are more than glad to go to the Shopify official help center. Just log into your account, and from there, you need to submit a ticket and getting a fix to your Shopify domain error. One of the support staff will respond to your ticket or email, and then they will give you troubleshooting steps and insights on hopefully fixing the issue. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.